I've helped a lot of people go through the construction process as well, as we are a phenomenal construction to perm lender.
Mhm.
So I have a lot of builder relationships, particularly with some big builders up in Harford County. And the process in general, when it comes to construction, brings a whole nother slew, of stressors.
And
I can say this too: being self-employed, the guidelines on self-employment income and stuff have drastically changed over the years. And we utilize a phenomenal system called LoanBeam that actually allows us to upload your tax returns for the last few years, and it finds areas and things that, instead of looking at the plain dotted line of gross income or net profit of the business, there are things that we can actually add back in to give back to that self-employed client to increase their usable income in regards to getting qualified for a mortgage. So a lot of really cool things out there.
Mhm.
And the technology, as we talked about earlier before the call, is amazing in the way that it just tries to make the process much more streamlined and less stressful for the buyers.
Yeah, and you don't just have the 3 flavors of ice cream anymore. I mean, there's definitely more than one type of loan product for many, many people out there, and they just don't realize. And so hopefully with doing things like this, we can educate and, make sure that people understand, what these products are and how to utilize them.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, as a lender, obviously for 20 some odd years, thank you,
Mhm.
sir. Working with VA clients, it's a big part of the business that I do. Veterans Administration, they're phenomenal loans. We utilize USDA as well, which, being up in Harford County, you're
Important.
closer to a lot of rural areas. Cecil County is very close, and rural loans are all 100% finance transactions. So they're phenomenal as well. And you have your standard FHA, your conventional renovation products, which are awesome. I really like watching someone take a house that needs some TLC and be able to finance those repairs into that loan process. It's a really fun thing to watch someone add all these really cool features to a new home, put it
Mhm.
into the mortgage loan, provide a contractor, and watch that thing take shape. It's a really, really cool thing to be a part of. But having access to every type of loan product out there makes it easier for me as a lender to not have to turn someone away because we don't know how to do a loan. I've been doing this a very long time, and I try to arm myself with every type of product that's out there. And I can proudly say, across country, there is not a product that I can't do or something that I have to refer out. We do it all. And it's a really good thing to be a part of. So I'm honored to be a part of the cross country mortgage team, to be able to give our clients access to every product that's out there.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And as an agent, that's important too, to have a little bit of everything on the other side.